Now, welcome to today's edition for newspaper headline review. Today, 28 November 2019. Now, the paper when he make the headline today, now it be this one. Boko Haram attack 2 army locations, 7 insurgents killed. Colonel Aminu Iliyasu don come out talk and say Boko Haram they never finish. Say they attack them yesterday on Wednesday 27 November 2019. Say they attack them for 2 locations, 2 local government for Borno State. Say now they come to fire gun on them. Now they too fire back. They come kill 7 Boko Haram, seize their weapon. They say the troop when Boko Haram attack now be 21 Special Armored Brigade. Now they attack. The soldier come overpower the Boko Haram. They come kill 7 for inside. Now only 3 soldiers now injure. Say they don't carry them go and where they go they treat them. Knock for hate speech as activists march assembly. Many people don't queue up protest go Senate yesterday. They go there come they say we not go gree, we not go gree. Lie, we not go gree. Now 2 senators, Senator Uba Sani and Osine Yakubu, and they come out on behalf of the Senate president, come they address the people. Now they talk and say they believe in wetin una dey do, say e good. When they talk and say una no go gree, say make the bill make e not pass. But make dem exercise patience. Say they must conduct a public hearing. Say for that public hearing, anything when Nigeria talk, now they go do. Use of Google Map while driving serious offense, says FRSC. Federal Commander Territory of Road Safety, Mr. Ayuba Gora, come out on Wednesday talk and say using Google Map when you dey drive, say na offense. Say law don talk and say may anybody not use phone for any reason when e dey highway or dey inside the drive. As long you don't sit down for driving seat, the drive motor dey go, you no suppose use anything phone. Say law talk am. Say anybody gbab you this time around, they go carry you go where they go come test your brain whether you demand, whether your nut don loose. Say if they say you no loose, they go punish you well. They come say advise people say if una see driver when they drive anyhow, make una call the number 122 or 112 for emergency. Say them go come sharp come arrest the person. Now so Gora talk. Smart card reader has lost its usefulness, says INEC. INEC Commissioner Festus Okoye and Haruna Mohammed don talk and say the use of card reader it don't become nonsense. Say the card reader wetin they do for the election now e no come make sense at all. Say for their own they then one way the card reader self made them all forget am because the court and the politicians they don't make card reader they useless. Because if any matter reach court not the add for card reader, make dem take check the how the election take go, say whether e over or wetin happen. But dem go talk say make dem bring the voter register, but dem no go come check the card reader, say wetin the card read and wetin dem vote for the election, whether they correspond. Because the card reader na dem take dey do accreditation. Now they not come dey use all those ones. The card reader just dey there like mugu, like mumu. Say they not dey use them. You say for him court and politician don spoil the thing. Say the matter e don dey worst. E don dey worst well. If they want change this matter, the politician need to change their mind. Now people, now so today news reach abeg. Tomorrow na another day. Make una abeg, I dey beg una from this side, say make una subscribe, help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. We dey beg you, help your brother. If you like wetin we dey do, put hand for subscriber, so that as we dey drop our new for YouTube, e go dey enter your phone sharp sharp. As e dey hot, na you go dey get am. Even when you no dey with your phone, as you come back, you go see am. You no go miss anything. We dey beg you. Thank you, and God bless you. Let somebody say amen.